Early disease prediction AI is one of the most impactful projects you can build today because it uses machine learning to detect health risks before symptoms appear, and that idea alone instantly captures attention. This system analyzes medical records, lifestyle factors, and biometric data to predict conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and even early signs of cancer. It matters in 2025 through 2027 because healthcare is shifting from treatment to prevention, and hospitals now expect AI tools that can warn doctors early and reduce costs. Real-world use cases include predicting type 2 diabetes in high-risk patients, identifying cardiovascular disease from ECG patterns, supporting cancer screening, and helping elderly patients manage chronic conditions before emergencies occur. Companies hiring for this skill include healthcare tech firms, hospital networks, pharmaceutical research labs, and insurance providers. Recruiters value students who build this project because it shows you can handle sensitive data, understand real medical indicators, and create models that deliver meaningful insights. This project proves you're ready for real-world AI work and gives your portfolio both technical strength and social impact. To build early disease prediction AI, you need a strong technical foundation, and the first step is mastering Python, because every part of data processing depends on clean, efficient code. You will work with machine learning algorithms like random forest and XGBoost, which are ideal for medical prediction tasks. You also learn feature engineering, where you turn raw health data into meaningful indicators the model can understand. Tools like scikit-learn, pandas, NumPy, and TensorFlow form the core of your workflow, while Flask or FastAPI helps you deploy your model as a usable service. Soft skills matter too. You must understand basic medical concepts to interpret results correctly, and you need awareness of data privacy rules such as HIPAA to handle patient information responsibly. Recruiters look for problem-solving skills, especially when dealing with imbalanced medical datasets, and they value clear communication with healthcare professionals. When you combine technical foundations with tools, domain awareness, and communication skills, you become the kind of candidate hospitals, research labs, and health tech teams actively seek for internships and entry-level roles. The implementation roadmap for this project follows 4 practical stages, and understanding each of them helps you build a complete, interview-ready solution. First, you collect data from sources like Kaggle or the UCI repository, focusing on diseases with enough historical records to train reliable models. Next, you pre-process the data by cleaning missing values, normalizing features, balancing classes using methods like SMOT, and engineering meaningful health indicators. Then you move to model development, where you train ensemble models, tune hyperparameters, validate with cross-validation, and target an accuracy above 85%. Finally, you deploy the model by creating a REST API, building a simple web interface, hosting it on the cloud, and adding basic monitoring. Beginners typically need 6 to 8 weeks, which includes learning fundamentals, exploring data, experimenting with models, and building a functional prototype. Intermediate students can complete it in 3 to 4 weeks by focusing on advanced engineering and production-ready deployment. This structured 4-step roadmap reflects how real AI systems are built in industry, making it an excellent talking point in interviews. Early disease prediction AI opens multiple career paths because it connects directly to high-demand healthcare roles. You can apply for jobs like healthcare AI engineer, medical data scientist, clinical ML engineer, or health informatics specialist. Recruiters expect you to understand medical data structures, handle imbalanced datasets, follow healthcare compliance rules, and explain model decisions clearly. Strong resume keywords include disease prediction, healthcare ML, clinical data analysis, predictive modeling, TensorFlow, scikit-learn, feature engineering, and HIPAA compliance. Companies hiring for these roles include Philips Healthcare, Siemens Healthineers, IBM Watson Health, Google Health, Microsoft Healthcare, Practo, 1mg, and major hospital networks. Freshers in India typically earn 6 to 12 lakhs per year, while those with 2 to 3 years of experience can reach 15 to 25 lakhs. In the US, entry-level roles often start between $75,000 and $120,000. This project proves that you can handle complex, sensitive data and apply AI to real human problems. It strengthens your portfolio and makes you stand out instantly. Start building this today and put it on GitHub.